Welcome to JH. FedsTim.com claims it can help you snag some of those elusive U.S. stimulus funds, specifically a $5,000 relief payment supposedly backed by the government. Because we all know the government just loves handing out $5,000 to anyone with a Wi-Fi connection. But before you start spending that imaginary money, let's see if this site is actually legit or just another digital bottom feeder. The first red flag popped up when we checked the registration details. This masterpiece of a website was only created in October 2024, making it so new it still has that freshly scammed smell. While being new isn't a crime, handing over your sensitive information to a site that's been around for about 20 minutes is usually a one-way ticket to identity theft town. Then there is the actual content. The site keeps referencing the $2.2 trillion economic stimulus bill passed during the pandemic. That is ancient history in internet years. Yet this brand new site is suddenly blowing up while recycling news from when we were all still hoarding toilet paper. It's a bit suspicious that they're using old news to bait new victims, don't you think? If you actually try to check your eligibility, prepare for a trip on a digital hamster wheel. Instead of giving you a straight answer, the site just redirects you to page after page of random questions. It feels like they're trying to keep you busy with busy work until you eventually realize you're getting exactly nothing in return. It's a great way to waste time if you're tired of productivity. Transparency is also completely non-existent here. There is no contact information, no About Us page, and zero social media links to be found anywhere. It's basically a ghost ship, which is exactly the kind of vibe you want when discussing your financial future. Legit businesses usually like people to know they actually exist, but I guess these guys prefer the mysterious stranger aesthetic. Finally, they claim to have processed massive payments right in your local area, yet a quick search on Trustpilot reveals absolutely zero genuine reviews. It turns out those local success stories are about as real as a $3 bill. Based on everything we've seen, FedsTim.com is a total bust. It has no proof, no transparency, and a lot of empty promises. Please do yourself a favor and keep your personal details far away from this site. Thanks for watching until the end. And if you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates.